Astro all right. Kudada is here.
好快做個有錢人咯！新的一年如約而至。
This Lunar New Year, a bounty of entertainment awaits.
緣分。
我自己話事。
Enjoy an abundance of must-watch shows.
太好啦！
放鬆啲，冇咁緊張。
我們發達了啊
Savor the most memorable festive dishes.
！Yes， 兩隻真係蠻入味嘅，
姨媽翻嚟啦！
提升晒成個家宅運好嘅。
Let once a year fortune insights guide you.
不能就是愛。
Embrace every joyful moment.
恭喜發財！
And double the joy with our Kudada. Channel 100. Astro all right. Kudada.